Ako si Arnold na primary operator dito sa Fisher Mall. Ito ang aming machine na XP600. Head clean. Nozzle test. Ito ang aming printer head. Ito ang aming capping. Ito ang aming ABR. ABR plug, ground wire, at waste tank. Aming in-use supply. At ito ang aming use supply. Aming workload. At ito ang aming consumable, yellow, magenta, white, cyan, and black.